Do you know what stalls internal comms before they even get off the ground? Vague priorities, or worse, none at all. Most internal comms teams are stuck reacting non-stop, supporting execs, sending updates, juggling requests. But if you don't define what success actually means, how do you know if you're making progress? No clear goals means no clear impact. So what's the way forward? Set smart internal comms goals, the kind that align with your business strategy. Before you can optimize content or show ROI, you need to define your goals. Ask yourself, what are we trying to achieve? How will we measure it? Does this support a bigger business priority? Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Boost open rates by 25% by end of Q4. Grow survey responses by 40% in 90 days. Start by benchmarking current performance, open, clicks, read time, feedback. Then pick KPIs that actually matter, like newsletter engagement, feedback rates, event RSVPs, readership by team or location. Once your goals are set, track them, and then share results. Use them to earn more support, more resources, and stronger alignment. We built a free SMART Goals guide packed with templates, examples, and a step-by-step process to help you set focused goals, align with business strategy, build trust with leadership, and make your comms measurable, plus your impact undeniable. So let's make your comms strategy goal-driven and results-proof.